The word noise refers to unwanted sounds and disturbances in general. It is often used in the field of telecommunications and electronics. Noise could also be in the form of electronic devices picking up electromagnetic waves leaked from other devices. The EMC noise is a problem that affects everything, including the transfer of electricity. This means that regardless of whether you have a solar power grid, EV charging station, windmill, large machines, or even an Ethernet cable, there will be unwanted electromagnetic interference, or EMI. The EMI is a component of EMC along with electromagnetic susceptibility, or EMS. With the rapid development of microelectronics and digital technology, circuits have become more densely packed, and signals have become higher in frequencies and lower in current, making electronic devices susceptible to even weak noises. The bigger the power source and electric current passing through the circuit, the bigger the problems. There is also a switching noise from the semiconductors, which is the actual cause of damage to the motors. There are two types of emissions, radiated and conducted. Radiated emissions refer to the waves emitted by the device or object into the atmosphere. These radiated emissions can cause disturbances for other equipment like sensors. Conducted emissions refer to the emissions emitted by the device or object through physical contact. An example of this is residual currents in the grid. The Blueferrite Nanocrystalline Cores help reduce these conducted and radiated emissions, making the electronic applications safer and more efficient. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.